Hello and welcome to Alice's Garden Plate. I help viewers who are gardeners that love to cook utilize their entire harvest year-round by garden planning, preserving methods, and recipes. If that interests you, like and subscribe. Right there is Sally. She's my supervisor. You'll see her a lot in the background because someone around here has to do some quality assurance. In today's episode, I am going to be discussing how to take fresh herbs and infuse it into oil. When you are working with fresh herbs and you're using it into an oil, dried is great so you don't have to worry about botulism. If you are just going to do a cold infusion and let it sit for a while, but being that you're using fresh, you want to use heat when you are infusing, so therefore there is no issues of transmission of that botulism from the garden, because that'll make you sick and be very bad. Don't want that, we want the flavor.
Using infused oil as a base for putting dry rub seasoning is fantastic, truly amplifies the flavor profile. Pour in olive oil over the herbs, coat them well, put in a spoonful of minced garlic. On medium setting on the stove, you're going to bring up to a light simmer the oil and the herb infusion. Just move it around and mix it here and there, bring to a light sizzle, as you're going to see in this, just some light texture. Then turn off and allow it to cool to room temperature. Then you're going to baste the meat that is on the rotisserie with the herb mixture. It's going to add such wonderful bark and flavor. Garlic, rosemary, and thyme, and a good robust olive oil is incredible and complements beef quite well. This is why you want to baste it on there as it rotates. It adds such flavor. A nice close-up view of that bark and char. Beautiful. Cut the bones off first, so that way you can slice into the meat a lot easier. Plus, they're wonderful to set aside and freeze and use for making soup. Highly suggest it. As you can see, I'm going to slice right through and then reveal the beautiful color. Wow, look at that. I like my beef personally medium. Most people like prime rib, medium rare.
If you enjoyed today's episode, click that like button so therefore the algorithm will work in your favor. By subscribing to the channel, you will be notified of new content. Sally and I thank you very much for viewing.